Alright guys, today we are going to be doing the carburetor kit on a Bolens 21-inch lawnmower. It's got the Briggs and Stratton 4.5 horsepower on it. It's basically the one with the metal tank, the primer ball, carburetor is built right into it. It's a single flathead bolt to get the air filter assembly off. So you go ahead and get that off. Then we've got a 1/2 inch here and a 7/16 right here. We're going to go ahead and get those off. All the parts, the diaphragms and everything, I'll put in the description below. Where are we going? You got 1/2 inch here.
1/2 inch right here.
Right there, yep. I got somebody else doing it. They don't know what they're doing already.
You know.
That's going to be the big one. There you go. Yep, there you go. That one right on off. Yeah, just take that extension right off the ratchet, use it like a screwdriver. There you go, you're out. Just get the socket out of the way, it's out. There you go. Put that on the deck. Boom. 11 millimeter or 7/16. It's all American, so it's 7/16, that's 1/2 inch. With 11's close enough, and 1/2 inch close enough. Pretty much the same thing.
Right here?
Yep. 11 millimeter.
11 millimeter.
That's 11?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's not that then. 10, oh, it's going to be 3/8. My bad. 10, yep. Now 10 and 3/8 are off pretty good. 3/8 is a bit smaller, so usually a 10 will strip it. But it's working good this time. Alright, now this is going to pull straight out, like so. The rubber boot that's here can just come right on off. And then this is a little S turn, it just popped right out. If you look, it's just a little S turn, stabs right in there. We're going to get this up here. Go ahead and drain all the gas out of that. Alright, so Felipe's head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop all of them out. And these are the gaskets and the diaphragm we'll be using. I'll put those in the description below. This one is priming, so we're not going to bother with the primer bulb, where there's a little ball bearing and a little seal underneath this. If it's not priming, you got to replace that little seal in the primer bulb, but ours is fine, so we're not going to bother with it. Oh, and look, see that freaking, I told you that O-ring and stuff. Look around the back in here. If the white O-ring and seal is off on your machine, you got to make sure you pop them right into that O-ring first, and then that white piece holds it in place. Pull it up out. So this is your diaphragm and gasket right here. The diaphragm, if you see, is on the bottom, and then the gasket goes on the top. But we're going to take air and we're going to blow all this, the tank and everything, out with air and get it nice and cleaned up. Now if you ain't got air like we've got and everything, you can use like brake clean or carb cleaner. You just got to shake it out dry, make sure everything's like out. We don't want any water or any dirt or at all in there. You can also just take straight gas, dump it in there, shake it around and shake it all out. Just make sure there's no water, no dirt inside there. Now go ahead and open that bugger up. You're probably gonna need, there we go. So diaphragm is going to go down on top of this first. Yep, just like that. Oh, yeah, there we go. Diaphragm like that. and then the gasket go on top. So what you're going to want to do is take the carburetor. Oh, before we put that on, we're going to want to get all the bolts out of that so we don't lose any of them while it's upside down. And there's a spring that's there. You want to make sure you don't lose the spring. Put it there. This is the main jet. Pull that off. You want to take a little carb cleaner and spray through that main jet with a straw. Don't get it in your eyes. Alright, that's good. Give everything up. Give this a little rinse out right in here, that screen right there. That's your primer. And then rinse out inside the carb real well and all the outside of it and stuff. Get it all nice and cleaned up. Alright, hold on, we got phone. Alright, so we got this cleaned out. Drop a spring back on it. Goes right here. And then the screen, rinse that out with carb cleaner or brake cleaner or something real quick. Yeah, just douche it out. There you go. Put it on there. We just don't want any dirt at all. Alright, and then we're going to grab 2 bolts, flip it over. We're going to stick one on this side, and then just one on this side, so that when we line it up, you can put the bolts. Get this little piece right here inside. So how this works is it picks fuel up from here. This is the actual bowl of the carburetor, so it picks it up in there and dumps it in here. That's what the fuel pump does. As it's running, it's pumping it in here, and then this jet sucks it up through into the engine, kind of like an old school updraft carburetor. And you get them bolts lined up to the gaskets, and you get them started. Don't push down too much. You want to get it all kind of just started. Get that one started. And then get this one started. Just started. Don't tighten it down. Just get that one started. Alright, and then get this one and the other ones put in. And get them started. Just get them all started. Then you're going to go crisscross. Get them, these 2 started. Once you get them all started, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just crisscross snug and then tighten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right,
1 until it's snug. There, no, that's good. That's 1 right here. Here, just kind of zigzag it. Here. And here. No, back zigzag. Make sure it's tight. Alright, and then you want to make sure, like again, like I said, O-rings inside first, and then this clip just clicks right in on top of it. I noticed this was running rough, and I noticed that this was out here already, and I thought, well, they've had this off and didn't put it in, but it was an extra set sitting there. But like I said, the O-ring first, and that white piece clips right in to hold it in place. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back on. This goes up against here. You're going to need to get this in first. There we go. You got that?
Yep.
Let's get that S-turn into it. You see it? There you go, perfect. Now get it stabbed in there. Yep, right there. There you go. Now the 1/2 inch on that side, and this side's the 3/8. So you got a plate behind here that's kind of fucking with you. You just stick that in there, and then
Gotta give it a little push.
yay.
There it is.
Got it. Slide it through. There you go. Don't tighten that on yet. Just get it started, and then get this one started. There you go. Now you can go on it. I'd use just the yeah. Okay, you can go ahead and do your just to use the extension like a screwdriver at first. There you go. And then the 1/2 inch on the other side. that gets you your snug up, you know what I mean?
Right.
Then you can tighten on after that. So that was not even started. There you go, there you go. Tighten on, and then 3/8 on this side, get it tightened on. Okay, that's good, that's good. All right, let's get some gas in it.
Sure.
Oh wait, we got this rubber boot here. Rubber boot goes on. Just push it right on, boom, like that. Gas inside. We'll get this out of the way so we don't lose it. Where's the gas cap? There we go. And then primer up. Okay, fire her up, see what she does. Probably needs a little more than that, but we'll see what she's probably going to shut off, but go ahead and try it. Perfect. That runs nice and smooth now. Air filter gasket, air filter cover. Pull this flathead out of it, or up out of it at least. Triangle goes towards the back of the motor, like so. And that's it, guys. I'll put the diaphragm kit in the description below. Just click on the link. It'll take you right to it. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notifications bell to watch any other future videos. It helps me out a lot if you do it. And click the links, man. Peace.